Okay, drivers, so this is part 2 of the first video of replacing our transmission module on a 2010 Sentra. So what happened is that now I'm going to replace the module. I'll show you guys how to take it off already, and step by step, because of some video issue I have to just show you guys how to replace it. So before you replace it, remember you got to get like a iron like this, like a slim iron. Okay, when you replace in the transmission, you got to make sure put this iron underneath the bottom of the module to make sure this don't go all the way out. Okay, you see it's a spring inside of this stepper motor. There's a spring inside of the module right here. This is a stepper motor, because this got to keep the stepper motor acting, what I would say, working the right way it should. Okay, so remember, before you put up this you got to push this from the bottom of the module. Okay, all right, so you have to watch part 1 of the video. How do I take off the module? Same way I take it off, same way you put it back. All right, so what you want to do right now, you want to put 2 screws first to just hold the module. Okay, and next you're gonna replace the filter. Okay, you gotta replace the filter because the filter help hold the module too with a couple of those screws. Alright, so I can't do much with the video because I'm underneath the car, but as I said, watch my part 1 video with replacing the module. I'm gonna put it in the description, or you could also, once you look at this, you're on the same channel, you could see part 1 of replacing transmission module. All right, remember to this is to hold the stepper motor. I won't take out this yet until I replace the transmission filter. So this is very important. This is a washer, and usually this always gonna fall out from right here, where the gear stick is in the transmission. There's a long iron piece come down through this hole. Usually when you're taking down the module, this gonna fall out right out. So you gotta remember, it go right through the hole right here at the gear stick. Okay, the shifter. So we're gonna if you lose, you don't want to lose this, because this is supposed to make the gear shift easier. Okay, and always remember, when replacing back here, once you replace your module, remember the plugs. Remember to connect back these plugs. Very important. Okay. So after that, after you connect back your plugs, when you finish everything, remember to put back your cover in, screw them up back, then you pour in the transmission fluid. Usually it's good to get new fluid, or if the one that have in the car was good before, just use back the same thing, same amount. Okay, so hopefully this helped. I couldn't do much underneath the car because I'm underneath the car, and it's very hard to video when I'm doing these kind of jobs. So hopefully you guys look back on the, as I say, I have a part 1 video, you could check it back, and hopefully you could take it from there. Well, it's a hard job, but you just have to have patience. Okay, so once I put back everything, I'm gonna drive it and see if everything is fine. Okay, drivers, so I replaced the transmission module. As you can see right now, the engine light is off the dashboard, so that means that's a good chance that everything is good now. As I said before in the first video, part 1, these cars, once the engine light comes on, then you feel tense, because usually it's not like a car that sometimes have an engine light on and it could be like simple stuff like a sensor. This is usually be the transmission issue. So I replaced that module and I'm gonna give it a test drive now, see what's going on. Okay drivers, so right now I'm testing the just testing everything. Everything seems to be fine, no stalling, everything's fine, no engine light on. So there you go, that was the transmission module with the stepper motor. That's the issue. Okay, driving fine right now, no stall, nothing. Okay, so alright, so have a good day. And hopefully this can help. Hopefully this can help someone out there. If you see any signs like engine light on, definitely is a transmission module. Nissan Sentra 2010 Nissan Sentra transmission module.